American Baler is sold and serviced worldwide. Headquartered in Bellevue, Ohio. Since 1945, American Baler has led the way with design and innovation. Our single ram wire tire is considered the best in the industry. We send the tire needles across the baler through the ram slots. Grab the 5 far side wires and quickly pull them out of the ram into the cut twist mechanism, grabbing the 5 near side wires on the way by. This design shortens the amount of time the needles are positioned in the ram slots and allows us to locate the cut twist mechanism on the same side as the needle cabinet. Because our cabinet is mounted on casters, it is easily swung open for threading new wires and performing tire maintenance. American Baler builds CE compliant, single ram auto tie channel balers and 2 ram auto tie balers for use in Europe. Please contact us to learn more about our single ram and 2 ram models and ask us about our exceptional baler warranty.